Question 6. Direct or partial variation. Question 6. In the following graph, as x increases, y decreases at a constant rate. It represents an inverse relation, not direct relation. Is it true or false? Well, as you see, it is a straight line and this straight line goes through the origin. Therefore, it should represent direct relation, right? So it represents inverse relation, not direct, is false. So let's write false first here. Now, I need to explain you what is inverse relation. Well, inverse relation we'll talk about in the next set of videos, where, for example, we said direct relation is y equals to k times x. Inverse relation is when we say y equals to k times 1 over x. That is inverse, right? So let me just draw a line here. And what we are talking about is here inverse. So inverse relation is y equals to k times 1 over x. Or you can multiply, cross multiply and say x times y equals to a constant. So those relations where x times y is a constant will be called inverse relation. Correct? But these relations where y equals to k times x, or we could write this as y over x equals to a constant. That is a direct relation. Okay? So these ones are direct relation. So remember that part. Now, k can be negative or positive, right? But it has to be some number, not 0. So k can be any real number but not 0. That is the condition in both the cases, right? Otherwise there is no variation, correct? So if k is negative, we get a graph like this. So this graph actually, if you find the ratio, so let's take some points here and find the ratio, right? So this point for us is x is minus 2 and the y is 2, correct? So the ratio is y over x. So it is y over x value. So y is 2 for us, 2 divided by minus 2, right? We get what? Minus 1, and that is, and let's take this point. This is x is 2 and here y over x is how much? X is 2 and y is minus 2. So y over x is minus 2 divided by 2, right? Which is again minus 1. Do you see that? Let's take some other point, right? Let's take this point. Now what is the value here? Minus 4 for x, let me write here, minus 4, and 4 for y, 4 for y. Let's do y over x here, y over x. For this point is y is 4, 4 over minus 4, it is minus 1. Do you see in all the cases what is the value of k? K is minus 1. Since k is constant, it is a direct variation. Do you see that? That is how we can say that it is a direct relation. Correct? So it is not an inverse, but it is a direct variation. That is what we will say. Okay? I hope you understand the concept very well now. Thank you.